This is an update video on the Lekki-Epe Expressway construction updates, all the way from Epe to Elekon, which is the phase 1. Then I've done a video on that already. Then this is an update from Elekon down to Ibeju, where we have the 4th mainland bridge. So if you are thinking of buying a property along or off this Lekki-Epe Expressway, then you need to pay attention to this update on this construction. From Elekon down to Epe, the phase 1 has been concluded and has been commissioned. And this is the conversion of a 2-lane road to a 6-lane concrete carried road. Presently, from Elekon down to Bugije, only 1 lane has been completed, and some parts, the 2-lane has been completed too. But currently, this road has taken all the way from Elekon down to Ibeju. This week when I drove past that road, I noticed that the 1 lane which is still under construction, they've started constructing all the way to Ibeju bus stop, and this road will move all the way to Ibeju. One thing you need to know when you are coming to this houses, just having in mind that because of the road construction, you face hold up. Just have that in mind. That is what is going on now if you pass through that route. Except you are passing there very early in the morning and you are going against traffic. If you are coming from Elekon down to Ibeju in that morning time, you face traffic. But if you are going from Ibeju down to Elekon in the morning period, you will not face traffic because you are driving against traffic. Likewise, in the evening when you are coming back, if you are going from Ibeju down to Elekon, you face traffic. But when you're coming back, to some extent, you might face traffic or you might not face. Though sometimes you might not be able to predict the road.
You're channeling wind and rain, you're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
This Lekki-Epe road construction, the phase 2 of it, which is from Elekon down to Ibeju, down to Aja, will make property around these houses to increase. Because one thing that make property to increase is accessibility. Where people can access their property easily, it actually increase the price of property around that houses. And the way they are doing this road is actually a concrete paved road, which is one of the strongest methods of doing road all over the world. No, mixed concrete and reinforcement. It can carry heavy duty equipment and without cracking. With this, it will be easier for people to easily access the Lekki International Airport, the Dangote Refinery, the Lekki Deep Sea Port. It's actually a 6-lane road, and there will be a dedicated carrier for truck. If you have stayed to this point, I think this is the best time for you to like this video, for you to share this video, because what I do in this channel, I help Nigerians in diaspora. I also help Nigerians in Nigeria who want to invest in Lagos market. And if you're looking at getting a property around this axis, there are several properties that I can recommend. And number one on the list is the MAKARIOS estate, which is a very unique estate. MAKARIOS estate is a luxury estate, and it will have a lot of features that will blow your mind. Let me just give you an idea of what you get if you decide to get a property in MAKARIOS estate. When you buy a land in MAKARIOS estate, your plot will have a part where you can connect to electricity directly underground. You will have a three-way electrical solution.
We have guaranteed that when you buy a land in MAKARIOS on your plot, there will be power where you can now put your own cables and connect.
Water will be connected to your plot, waiting just for you to just connect, put your stuff and connect.
There will be water where you can now put your own pipes and connect.
And there will be central sewage system.
And there will be sewage system, so that you can now put all the sewage in your house, your toilet, your bathroom, and connect. All the sewage will go to the end of the estate.
Note, there's no development fee, there's no documental fee, and you have access to your property without paying any extra fee. In this whole area, this old Lekki-Epe Expressway, MAKARIOS estate is the only estate that have a world-class water display fountain, a powerful combination of water, light, music, and holographic display of image. There is no other estate in this entire Lekki-Epe Expressway. So in the whole of Lagos or Africa, there's no estate that have these features. The fully serviced estate, and it have a place for children to play. It has a walkway for you to exercise, a massive shopping mall, schools, clinic, event center, office to rent, hotels, 24 hours, smart technology, and to have a secure and a serene environment.
Welcome to the MAKARIOS water display place, our own marina, our own water display in Africa that rivals Dubai. As you can see, it's work in progress. So many things have been put in place that you may not see now. We put special pipes that have come from OAS, the people with whom we are building all the way from Germany. We are installing all their various pipes along the place. When the water display begins to work, this walkway on which I am is a very unique place. Water will be crossing over to the other side. So you and your children, you'll be able to walk in the middle of the water. It's gonna be fun. You walk that way, you walk that way, and you walk the other way. As you can see, we're now almost done with the civil works. All the pumps, lights, the special lasers, and the audio visuals that will work with the water place are already on their way from Germany. That extreme end where those three men are, that is like a bunker. We went 4 meters deep and built a bunker because the machines that will control the waters and make the water to dance, the water to be displayed, pump the water in and take the water out will be underground. On top of where those men are, there's going to be 3 rooms. The 3 rooms will be where 3 powerful cameras will be that are projecting on the water. Cinema screen. Yeah, cinema screen, but water is the screen. So as water stands tall from that house, they'll project videos on the water. We'll show the inauguration of the president. When you sit out here, you'll be hearing the sound of the music being played and the water display. So if we take Asha, there is fire on the mountain. You will feel the effect of her music being played even in the promenade where you sit, and the water will dance. Guess what also? In phase 2, there will be fire coming out of water at MAKARIOS water display place. In phase 3, there will be unusual laser used to display. The water in the depression, which I mentioned earlier, will go as high as 14 meters, which means somebody a mile away will see what is happening at MAKARIOS.
Currently in MAKARIOS, we are selling terraces and land currently. Close to this MAKARIOS, we have the Bushwood Estate, we have the Imo Resort, we have the Lekki Free Trade Zone Road, we have the Lekki Deep Sea Port, the Lekki Airport, the Eleganza City, we have the Amen Estate Phase 2 and Phase 3, then we have the Lekki Coastal Road and several other estates. This particular estate, the MAKARIOS Luxury Estate, have a certificate of occupancy as a title. It is along the Lekki-Epe Expressway. So which means that with this new route that is constructed in these houses, it's a straight drive to MAKARIOS without any hold up when the road is completed. You can get a 300 square meter currently going for 55 million naira, or you can get a 500 square meter going for 85 million naira. And with just 20% initial deposit, you are good to go. It is all inclusive. There is no extra money attached at all. And we have payment plan of 6 months and of 12 months. If you are doing between 0 months to 5 months, it is without interest, but the rest come with interest. So there are other estates in these houses too, which I would strongly recommend you buy into. There are several. I have several houses in case you want to buy a house. Amen Estate Phase 2 have a house. I've done a comprehensive video on that, or you can inbox me. I will send you the price list of houses we have in Amen Estate Phase 2. Likewise, you can also get a property in ARIZON Estate. ARIZON is also in this Lekki-Epe Expressway. ARIZON Estate is also available. The price you see on the screen is the current price of ARIZON Estate right here in Ibeju Lekki. And also Amen Estate Phase 3. We also have land in Amen Estate Phase 3. People have started building in Amen Estate Phase 3. So the price you see on the screen is the price for Amen Estate Phase 3. Likewise, in this same houses too, we have the TIWA commercial hub. This is the only commercial hub we have in this house that is currently selling. So the price you see on the screen is the price for TIWA commercial hub. Likewise, the most affordable of all in these houses is TIARA Estate, and I would strongly recommend that you pick one of these estates, and they are all in this route. This is Dennis Ison. If you're still to this point, I would strongly recommend that you subscribe to this channel. I appreciate you so much. My name is Dennis Ison. I help Nigerians in Nigeria. I help non-Nigerians who are looking for land for sale to give you information like this that will guide your decision and make you make the right decision. I know one day we'll meet, we'll be sharing wine together, and you say, Dennis, thank you for making me see your video that day. I bless the day I saw that video. Once again, my name is Dennis Ison.